In this video, we will walk you through requesting other documents using the Other Documents section in Docket. This feature helps accountants and Docket account managers request documents like merchant statements, loan statements, and payroll statements, making the reconciliation process smoother and more efficient. To get started, navigate to the Banking and Reconciliation module and then to the Reconciliation Center. From there, click on Other Documents. Here, you'll see all the balance sheet accounts listed by month. You have three options. You can upload a document, request one, or mark it as no document available for a particular balance sheet account and month. To request a document, select Request Document. Enter the description of the document you need. Click Submit. Once the request is submitted, you will be taken to the Open Items section to view the request. You can track the status of document requests in the Other Documents section by hovering your mouse over the request. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Sign up for Docket University today to expand your knowledge of AI accounting tools. Access the link in the description field of this video.